Hi guys, today I would like to show you guys a new recipe, Chinese style braised pork trotter. The following recipe is for 1 kg pork trotter. At first we need to boil a pot of water, add some ginger and spring onion. Add pork trotter. You can use chopped pork trotter or you can use a whole piece. This process is to clean the pork. Boil the pork trotter in 7 to 10 minutes. Then pour out and wash. In the next step, we need to do caramelizing. Add some water and rock sugar. Caramelize the rock sugar. Then add water. Add the pork trotter that we already boiled. Then we add 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, spring onion, some ginger slices, some garlic, one teaspoon nutmeg powder, 4 tablespoons light soy sauce, or it also depends on your flavor, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, then cover the pot and cook in 1.5 hours to 2 hours. After 1.5 hours, I found that the meat tender enough and the color turns very nice. So it's ready to serve. Look! It looks so yummy, right? It is best served with hot steamed rice. Cooking in 1.5 hours make the meat tender and the skin chewy like jelly. If you want the pork trotter to be softer, you can cook longer till 2 hours. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like my recipe, please thumb up, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.